With a little patience, it's easy to grow avocados in your own backyard. Once established, the tree will provide years of fresh avocado for guacamole and other delicious dishes. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to grow your own avocado tree. The best way to ensure a quick, productive harvest is to plant a young tree outdoors once the weather warms up. Find or create a planting site with excellent drainage and sun exposure. The workable soil should be 3 to 5 feet wide and 1 to 2 feet deep. Test your soil's pH level. Then, to improve the soil, work in necessary amendments and organic material, like garden compost. As you dig the hole for the tree, be sure to make it as deep as the root ball and twice as wide. Next, gently spread out the roots, cover them with soil, and water thoroughly. Water your tree 2 to 3 times a week until it is fully established. A soaker hose will help the water penetrate the ground and reach the roots. You'll want to fertilize your tree regularly with a balanced citrus and avocado plant food. Help retain moisture and prevent weeds by laying down a thick layer of mulch around the tree. A pale to dark green color is a sign that your avocados are ready to pick and bring indoors for the final phase of ripening. Over the course of 7 to 10 days, they'll soften up and be ready to eat. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.